Today we're diving into the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus, a budget-friendly smartphone that's packing some serious features. Is it worth your money? Let's find out. First off, the design. The Note 50 Pro Plus has a sleek, premium look with a glossy finish and a massive 6.78-inch FHD Plus display. The 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling and gaming super smooth. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 processor, which handles multitasking and gaming like a champ. Pair that with 12 gigabytes of RAM, and you've got a device that won't slow you down. Now let's talk cameras. The 50-megapixel main sensor takes sharp, detailed photos even in low light. Plus, the 8-megapixel front camera is perfect for selfies and video calls. Battery life? No worries here. The 5,200 mAh battery lasts all day, and with 45-watt fast charging, you can go from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes. So is the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus worth it? For the price, it's a solid choice. Great display, solid performance, and a stylus to top it off. If you're looking for a budget phone that doesn't compromise, this might be it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.